iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have same 6.1 inches display. Display resolution of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 1170x2532. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have same 60Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 19:5:9. Pixel density of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 457 pixels per inch. Screen to body ratio of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 86.89%. Brightness nits of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 1200 nits and 800 nits. Operating system of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is iOS v16 and iOS v15. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have same Apple A15 Bionic chipset. The CPU process of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is 3.2 GHz hexa-core. iPhone 14 has Apple 5-core GPU and iPhone 13 has Apple 4-core GPU. The back camera of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have same 12 megapixels front camera. The front camera of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 can record video up to in 4K at 60 fps. iPhone 14 has 3279 mAh battery and iPhone 13 has 3227 mAh battery. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones support 20-watt fast charging. Neither iPhone 14 nor iPhone 13 support reverse charging. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones support wireless charging. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have GPS. There is no fingerprint sensor in both the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 13. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones support face unlock. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones have NFC. iPhone 14 has satellite connectivity but iPhone 13 does not. iPhone 14 has crash detection but iPhone 13 does not. Neither iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 have 3.5mm headphone jack. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones are water resistant. iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 is IP68.